listeners and viewers, good morning. I am Muhammad Atiq from Splendid and today I am here with my one new video. In this video, today I will tell you about tongue twisting. Actually, when we just try to improve our English, so one very big problem or one very challenging problem in front of us that we hesitate to speak in English. This hesitation is not only because of the lack of the confidence, but we are hesitated because our tongue is not molded to speak in English. So today I am here with two tips which will be able to mold your tongue to speak in English. Just these two steps are, the first one is English songs and the second one is that tongue twisters. Actually we have lot of the things to speak. We know that, little of the things we know that how to speak in English. But we hesitate to speak. Why? Because our tongue is not molded to speak in English. We are just belonging to a Hindi language tech area. Most of the time either we are speaking Hindi or we are speaking Bagheli. So it's a very big problem in front of us. It's a very challenging for us to speak in English. So if you want to mold your tongue, to speak in English, so by following these two steps you will be able to speak in English without any hesitation. So first step is that English song. Actually it's a very common step. If you are the listener of English songs, so by listening only you cannot mold your tongue. If you want to mold your tongue, so not only you have to listen but have to sing too. It is little difficult in the beginning just to sing the English songs because we are habitual to listen the Hindi songs and just to sing the Hindi songs. But just to sing the English song, it's a little challenging for us. So just do one thing. There are different of the songs which lyrics are available. So just print those lyrics in the paper and take those paper in your hands and then play the song and just match the lyrics with the songs. Just once, twice, thrice. Some of the time some of the guys just match the lyrics once, and some of the guys just take little time, they match the lyrics once, twice or thrice. So just first you play the song and match the lyrics, match the words, which of the words are just being spoken or which of the words are just being used by the singers in which of the way, in which of the manner. So just listen those words carefully and after listening try to sing. Just try once, try twice, thrice. In the beginning it will be little difficult for you, but if you just face this difficulty, then obviously you will not face difficulty to speak in English. Okay, for example, I am just presenting one song here. Let that the song is that I'm just singing the very common and very famous song, that is a freedom song. Like it starts from there. Oh, 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 oh. So in the beginning the singer is maintaining the confidence. If you are just missing these oh, 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 if you are missing this, if you are not doing with the singer this, then obviously it will not remove your hesitation. What of the steps is being done by the singer, you also do the same things. Okay, so just give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. Just singer is singing here. Actually when I heard this song first time, then I was not able to sing. Okay, but after listening once, twice, thrice, many of the time I just heard this song, then after that I can sing. So by singing these songs you can just mold your tongue to speak in English. Most of the time the people are just taking the English songs in their caller tunes. They are just putting the English songs in their mobile's ringtone. It's a very good habit, you know, by doing this. So guys, I was saying that by putting the English songs in your mobile ringtones or in your caller tunes, it's a very good for you, because by listening these songs you will be remembered on yourself that I have to listen the English song. And after listening these songs, not only you have to listen but you also have to sing. But most of the time I have seen that the people are just singing but they are just not singing actually what the singer is singing. So just be very careful at the time of matching the lyrics. Okay, just at the time of matching the lyrics you just be very careful about the words which are just being sung by the singer. Be very careful and just pronunciate those words in the same manner as the singer is pronouncing those words. Now the second step of improving the just to mold your tongue, the second step is that tongue twister. As its name is that tongue twister, means which make twist on your tongue. For what you are just doing these two steps, you are just listening the English song and you are just singing the English song for making twist on your tongue, which tongue is able to speak Hindi and Bagheli, you are trying to make a twist on that tongue to speak English. You know that what to speak, that is in your stomach, but you are unable to put in your lips. Why? Because you are not your tongue is not molded to speak in English. So the second step to mold your tongue is that tongue twister. Okay, there are two words, tongue and twister. Tongue means which make twist on your tongue to speak in English. There are many of the tongue twisters are available, and some of the tongue twister will be mentioned in the description also. You can just see on there and you can just make the practice. I am just telling some of the tongue twister like that. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was little bitter, so she bought some better butter to make bitter butter bitter. Okay, this one is the first tongue twister I am telling here. Like Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was little bitter, so she bought some better butter to make bitter butter bitter. So just how to just practice this? Read once carefully and slowly. Read second slowly and careful, and then just read. And as you are just being you are just getting command on the tongue twisters, then slowly you just improve your speed of reading, and just when you just read it with full of the speed, then you will get that now your tongue is getting molded, okay, to speak in English. So just by reading these tongue twisters, there are some of the tongue twisters of the Hindi like kacha papad pakka papad, kacha papad pakka papad, kacha papad pakka papad, like lapak pakuliya lapak apna lapak budo lapak bikap. So these are the tongue twisters of Hindi. You don't need to practice these tongue twister, because these are the tongue twisters of Hindi. You need to practice the tongue twisters of English. And I have just told one tongue twister like that. Betty got a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was little bitter, so she bought some better butter to make bitter butter bitter. If it is little longer for you, so there is no problem. You can just select some small of the tongue twisters like that. Kantai can tie a tie. If kantai can tie a tie, why can't I tie a tie like kantai can tie a tie? Okay, there is second tongue twister. It is little smaller than the first one. If you are not habitual, if you are getting problem to practice with these two tongue twisters which I have just read right now, so you can just take some very small tongue twisters like upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller. This one is the tongue twister of one line. There is only 4 words: upper roller, lower roller. These 4 words will be able to mold your tongue to speak in English. Actually, the problem is not at the time of speaking English, the main problem is not to speak in English. At the time of speaking English, the main problem is that we are Hindi linguistic. Most of the time, either we are speaking Hindi, or we are speaking Bagheli, or we are speaking any of the local language. Okay, so just by speaking these languages, we are just habitual to speak these. Okay, we are getting comfort to speak these languages. Okay, but at the time of speaking English, it is little new for us, so we just get hesitation on there to speak, how to speak. And now what to speak, it is in our stomach, but we are unable to put it in our mouth, in our lips. So just by practicing this twist, first is that English song, just get the lyrics of the English songs and print out these lyrics in the paper, and then play the songs and match the lyrics once, twice and thrice, and then try to sing. And at the time of singing English song, just have to do one thing. You have to sing with full of your sound. Okay, not have to just have to sing little or slowly. There should not have any types of hesitation. Okay, for example, I am just singing the song here, what I was just singing in the beginning of the video. So just do not sing like that. Oh, there is just no need to sing like this. Just expose yourself and then sing. How? Whoa, 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 whoa. So just have to expose yourself. There should not have any kinds of the hesitation. There should not have any kinds of the same of fear on yourself. Okay. Now the second step I told you that tongue twisters. So just write these tongue twisters and select any of these. Like that, I have just told one. Kantai can tie a tie. Kantai can tie a tie. Why can't I tie a tie like kantai can tie a tie? So this is the tongue twister now. So just write once. Okay. Twice. Thrice. But at the time of writing, do not only write, but write and speak. Write and speak. Like you are writing kantai, so speak. Kantai can tie a tie. If kantai can tie, why can't I not tie a tie like kantai can tie a tie? Okay. So just write and speak. It will be little helpful to start. Okay. So just by following these 2 steps, you can just mold your tongue to speak in English. If whatever just inside of you, that can just come out easily, and you will not be hesitated to speak in English. So in the next video, I will just come with some new things. So just be continue with me. Just please like and subscribe my channel and just get the new updates about improving English. Thank you. Have a nice day.